Okay, in this video we are going to be looking at basic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now look at my data set. Input A, input B. I have 5, 6, 7. I have 3, 7. Look at the input also on B. We just want to test run how to do some basic calculations in this environment. So I'll first of all be performing addition on these two imputed numbers. I'll also perform subtraction on it. I'll perform multiplication and division. This is to enable us to be able to perform each of these calculations whenever we are in this environment. Now let's kick off. I'm going to click into the cell under addition, cell C2, and then I'm going to activate my calculation by pressing the equal sign. Anytime you want to make calculation, you have to press the equal sign. If you don't press it, calculation will not work. Then you now click on the cell that you want to multiply. Then I want to add shift and the equal sign to make your plus. I'll click on the second cell I want to add, and I will say enter. Then I'll come into the other one. I will activate, sorry for this movement, I will activate my calculation with equal sign. Click on the first imputed cell, the cell I want to subtract, then minus, then this second one, then I'll press enter. Then I'll click on this one, I'll press my equal sign, then this asterisk stands for multiplication in Microsoft Excel, then this one, then I'll say enter. I'll click on division 2, I'll press my equal sign, then this, I will now say what? Slash stands for division in Microsoft Excel, slash this, then I'll press my equal sign. So that's how to do calculation. To help you complete the remaining cells or rows underneath addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, you don't have to do the calculation again. That is the essence of using this so powerful software. So all you need to do now is what? Select the first result. At the bottom right corner here, you have a dot there. So you just double click on it. Or you hold your left mouse button and drag it downward. So I'm going to double click. So it's going to fill the remaining cells with the appropriate answer. To check if you are correct, just click on them. When you click, you look at the formula bar. It will tell you the formula is A3, and this is A3, and it's saying A3 plus B3. This is A3 and this is B3. So the formula for this answer is correct. So let's do the same for this. We are going to double click, or let's drag down this time around. I will hold down my left mouse button and drag it down. So it's going to give me the answers. Then this one, I'm going to double click. Either of the two methods is good. I'm going to hold down and drag down. This is how to perform basic calculation in Microsoft Excel. Now, depending on the type of data you have, that will determine what type, the way you are going to apply this addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So thank you. See you in my next video.